wishing on a star. Long ago, there lived a baby bear in a dense forest. The baby bear waited for night every day. When night had come, he stared at stars in the sky for a while. 1, 2, 3. He spent his time counting stars or searching for the brightest one in the sky. The more he looked at the stars, the more he wanted to meet the beautiful shining stars. It seemed that he could have met the stars if he had got on the top of the tall tree, but he couldn't climb the tree. That's because he was quite big. He envied squirrels jumping around the trees. He thought they were able to meet the stars nearby. The baby bear wished on a star. I am too big to climb the tree. I wish that the star came to the ground for me once. At the moment, a small but shiny star began to fall down. The baby bear ran to the fallen star. But it didn't shine anymore. The baby bear was so sad. Then the squirrel came and said, Baby bear, the stars are supposed to be at a high place, such as the top of the trees, so as to shine. What about helping the star get the top of the tree? Squirrel, could you do that? The baby bear asked, and Squirrel said yes. The baby bear gave the star to the squirrel, and the squirrel brought the star to the top of the tree. The star began to shine again. The baby bear was so happy to see the shiny star. Bye bye.